Cool breeze is blowing, and I am here again on a bank of a canal, and there is a water in the canal also, and I sitting near a waterfall of the canal, and the sound of water is coming in my ears, very sweet and smart sound. I am feeling enjoy in such a place nearby to my house. There is nothing any cost of journey. There is nothing cost of to book a hotel. There is nothing a cost of transport vehicle. I come here on my foot and enjoy the nature. What a nature! What a nature! What a nature! This is the canal, and after 100 feet there is a waterfall, and the sound of water is coming. I am enjoy here. You can also enjoy if you have time. I have now a lot of time because I am retired from a huge length of service, and now I am fully enjoy the time. Not in playing cards, not in smoking, not in gossips, not sitting idle people. I, if there is no necessary work of domestic type, I left the home at once and come in the lap of nature. I can't sit in a bed in a daytime because in a daytime to sleep in a bed is very dangerous for health. It will come many issues of health which are very harmful. It is a time of sleep at night. Night is made for sleep and rest, and day for other activities, daily activities, work activities, functional activities, etc. So enjoy the nature, cool breeze, and I sitting on the grounds without any type of clothes covered on ground. I am sitting on the natural floor of ground, land. I am enjoying here, you can see. So this is very important to us. It will come a peace of mind to you. Peace and harmony is very essential for a healthy life. If we have a lot of money but not a peace of mind and harmony, what will happen? We can't sleep at night. We will come under impression of BP, sugar, kidney damage, kidney stone, liver stone, gallbladder stone, etc. And it will come a paralysis also. Don't become a habit of high living of standards. It, high living of standard means high blood pressure. Simple living and high thinking. Live in the lap of nature. Live in the lap of God. Always come a happy thought and happy life in our life. Bye bye. Jai Shri.